not better than what I used to.
Oh, yes? Yes, and what was that?
Potatoes.
I understood that you'd been flogged.
I feel much better now.
Oh, that's splendid. How do you find Mr. Treves? As a teacher, I mean.
What is it? Very kind.
How long did you and Mr. Treves prepare for this interview?
What is it? Very kind.
Yes, of course, I understand. Well, it's been a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Merrick. Good day to you.
Very good, John. It's very good. Be back in a moment.
The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me lie down.
Well, it was a brave attempt, Treves, but the man was obviously simply mouthing words taught by you.
Yes. Well, I'm sorry to have wasted your time, Mum.
He restoreth my soul.
He simply doesn't belong here. He'd be much better off somewhere else where he could be constantly looked after.
Right.
I'm sorry, Treves, that things have turned out this way. Good day to you.
Yea. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff.
Mr. Cargon?
Yes, what is it?
What's that? I didn't teach him that, huh?
And mercy will follow me all the days of my life. And I dwell in the house of the Lord.
How did you know the rest of it? I didn't teach you the rest of it.
It's very strange.
Tell me, how did you know the rest of it? The 23rd Psalm?
I used to read the Bible every day. I know it very well, and the Book of Common Prayer. 23rd Psalm's beautiful. It's my favorite.
Treves, come and see me in my office when you're through up here. There's something important I want to say to you. Goodbye, Mr. Merrick. I do hope we shall meet again.
and I start.
Mr. Cargon?
Yes, what is it?
What's that? I didn't teach him that part.
And mercy will follow me all the days of my life. And I'm clearing the house.
How did you know the rest of it? I didn't teach you the rest of it.
It's very strange.
Tell me, how did you know the rest of it? The 23rd Psalm?
I used to read the Bible every day. I know it really well, and the Book of Common Prayer. 23rd Psalm's beautiful, it's my favorite.
Treves, come and see me in my office when you're through up here. There's something important I want to say to you. Goodbye, Mr. Merrick. I do hope we shall meet again.